by Venkat, and I am from Kannur. I did my graduation in Brindavan Institute of Technology Science, the stream of CSC. Through I am from CSC, I don't know anything about coding. So after my graduation, one of my senior friend referred me JSpiders. Once I inquired JSpiders, and after in the month of September, I joined JSpiders Institute. After that, I learned a lot in JSpiders about all the full stack development of Java. Especially the trainers helped me a lot. Especially Lingaras sir helped me a lot in teaching web technology. After that, Vivek sir helped me a lot in teaching Java from scratch, and I understood all the concepts. I attended minimum 4 to 5 interviews. After that, in the month of May, I cracked my interview. My company is Credit Safe, which is in Hyderabad. So I thankful to all the faculties and HRs who helped me a lot. Thank you.